Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making the viral feta pasta. To begin, in a large baking dish, place a block of feta cheese in the center, followed by 1 pound of cherry tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 red chili pepper sliced. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Drizzle half a cup of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Now in a large pot of boiling water, add in 1 teaspoon of salt, then add in 1 pound of pasta and cook as per package direction. And after 15 minutes, change the setting to broil and broil for about 3 to 5 minutes. After broiling for a few minutes, get the baking dish out the oven. Drain the pasta and add to the baking dish. Go ahead and toss the pasta in until incorporated. Then add a bunch of fresh basil and toss one last time. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, feta pasta. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!